Bitch. I can't stop shooting, boy, this a 50 rounder. I gave your bitch a Percocet and got the pussy out her. I could've got this shit for free.
Again, we outside with it. This about to be a fucking... My bike still leaking gas. Nigga, we ain't scared of them. Fuck them. Nigga. Fuck the po-po ho. Damn. Damn, you good? You good? Hey, go sit down. Sit down. Hey, go sit down. Hey, have him sit down. Damn, I told you. Just breathe slow, nigga. Fuck. Damn. Hey, he said he can't breathe. Fuck. That nigga bust his shit. See, look. That's why we don't have fucking rookies out here. Fucking bullshit. That's why you don't have fucking rookies. I gotta make sure that nigga don't get his bike took. I'm a double back. That nigga shouldn't have rolled with us. I don't even know where the fuck I'm going, but I can't let that day he don't get his bike jacked. Oh God. Bullshit. I knew that nigga shouldn't have came with a rookie first ride out. He didn't need to be on the riverbed. Hey, hurry up and call your dad. Or come over here. Hey, can you get up? Can you get up? They try to come over here. Fuck. Hey, call your dad then. Didn't I give it to you? They just left because the cops chased them. That nigga busted his ass. The cop come, I gotta dip again. Nigga, I can't get my bike took. Look, knew a rookie should never came out here. Huh? Huh? We gotta get out of here before the cops come back. Fuck. Oh. All right. Yeah, we just gonna cruise it there. Just get on the gas and just get on the bike and just hit the gas a little bit. That's all we need. You gotta get it from over here. Shit, I'm a little couple miles. Not well. I'm in Compton, but it's not too far. You know where the Home Depot is over here? I'm like over there.
Yeah, I can make it?
Yeah, we can make it. You just gotta get on the gas. That's all you gotta do. But don't go fast. Just cruise over there. No man, let's go this way. They said no man left behind. Them niggas ran. Fuck them police. Nigga, they didn't even try to double back. Go ahead. Hey, but I'm gonna cut the camera until we get to where we gotta go, you feel me? But hey, I'll be right back, you feel me? No man left behind. Royal J Lee. Real one, make sure I drop a sub for that, you feel me? Yeah, real out here, nigga.